Good motherfucking morning. Good morning, I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around the hostel. Let me show you the room. So you walk in, you use your key card. You have a bathroom here. And this is a 4 women's dorm. We got the top bunks, bottom bunks, lockers on this side. Lovely bed, got a curtain for privacy. This is really great at nighttime or at any time, even during the day really. Lovely bed. You have this for your outlets. Make sure you turn it on, turn it off, energy saving. There's hanger. Got this light, it's really bright. Got a little cubby, you can use a lock. Also have this, a table. You needed to do some work, write in your journal, write some love letters. You can do that right here. The beds are nice and comfy, and this is something. So the curtains close, you have all this privacy. And in the room, got these cute little chairs, like a beanbag chair, and just your average. And looking outside, this is the neighborhood. It's a bright, sunshiny day today. All right, let's continue. And then, so when you walk in, you have bathroom, bedroom, living area. These are the other cubbies for these 2 beds. And then you have the shower, dual sinks, and another bathroom. So that's really awesome that there's 2 toilets in here, lovely spacious shower, cubby is perfect for all your belongings, great size, some hangers if you need it. Of course, make sure you're being respectful and quiet for the other people in here. No smoking in the rooms, you can go outside. And no eating. You don't want to attract any bugs, any ants. And there's also an aircon. Aircon is important. It is a rainy season right now in Thailand in June. Right now, the hostel's pretty quiet. I haven't seen too many visitors, guests. I do have one roomie. She's from Egypt. Shout out to her. We spoke a little last night, but because it is the rainy season, it's kind of the off season for the hostel, so it's kind of quiet, which honestly I enjoy that. I enjoy quiet. Party sometimes, but also quiet. All right, so that's the room, and I'm gonna show you around the rest of the hostel. Okay, Sawadi! Hi, I'm Dominique Vibez. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you around 33Poshtel in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Alright, let's go. First impressions from the outside. Love the openness, love the windows. They have this cute entryway. Go ahead and leave your shoes. Have a nice key card system. Have a whole bunch of informational pamphlets for different activities. If you want to go cooking, see some elephants, go on a raft tour, trekking tour. They have this big map of Chiang Mai. Thank you. So we are right here, and there's so many temples within this big square. We got a temple here, this post, temple, a really historical gate. They have information if you need to go to Pai. You can book this bus. It's for a very good price. Also have a laundry service if you need to get your laundry done. This is the outdoor seating area. It's really relaxing daytime or nighttime to just come out here. They have this cute koi pond. And I'll show you what's through there. So this is really cool area. Out here and relax. No smoking, but you're just out here. They've got some shade hats for you to use. Alright, let's check out over there. Got a outdoor shower. This little area if you wanted to come and just chill here, if you wanted to do some yoga, some exercising. I've got a mat for you to use. Some greenery in the back. Water's nice and cool. Alright, so now we go this way and we're gonna go upstairs. Okay. Another nice area to just come and sit. If you wanted to do some yoga, meditate. That's cool. rhino. You can sit on this cool board for your feet. Pressure points. This is the view from up here. Right, and then through here we have the kitchen. The fridge, free to put your food if you'd like. Different utensils if you needed to cook or store your food. They have this little outdoor area you can come and sit. Different appliances, toaster oven, some microwave over there, rice cooker, another toaster oven, toaster. They have free crackers and tea, coffee, jasmine tea, one of the OGs, one of my favorites. I got some utensils. And then, if you keep going up, got some rooms. And then, this is where I am. Room 6. That's the room. Let me show you what it looks like. Put some natural light. I didn't think anyone was in here, but so that concludes the tour of 33Poshtel. I have only been here for 2 nights, but I absolutely loved my stay. Great Wi-Fi, great AC, great bed, very clean. I really like that being here in Thailand, you take your shoes off at the door. Me personally, that's just something I like. The floors are clean, are constantly clean, and it's just nice to walk around with no shoes on. You gotta walk around with shoes all day. I really don't want to be in the hostel with shoes on. The staff is really nice. They were really great checking me in, and I had to book a bus to Pai. They were very helpful with that. The hostel is beautiful. Next time I visit Chiang Mai, I will definitely book this hostel again, and I could spend some more time in the pool just relaxing. I give this hostel a thumbs up, and I'll put the price per night here, maybe. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate you coming along on the tour. Maybe you'll book this hostel. Let me know if you do. I hope you have a great day. Peace, love, good vibes, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Hey there. Remember I talked about that bus to Pai? In roughly 10 minutes? That's where I'm headed. Catching the 10:30 bus to Pai, the next destination. Catch me a quick little smoke before I take this ride. Is maybe 3 to 4 hours. I predict there will be AC on this bus. But I'm just gonna chill out. So at the night market, the Chiang Mai night market, I was able to find some goodies. I picked up a gram of this strain, Mandarin, and I got it for a great deal, 200 baht, which is not even $6, $5.67. Which is great because I just needed a little bit, you know, for myself on this trip before I go back to Phuket. It's perfect, it's perfect. This goes out to all my weed smokers, my stoners abroad, stoners alike, stoners here, stoners there, stoners everywhere. I love it. Alright, the bus will be here very soon. I'm gonna enjoy this. Toodles!